Good morning and welcome to your market update for Wednesday, April 29th, 2026. The mood on Wall Street this morning is decidedly mixed. Tech is showing some life, but the broader market is under pressure. Let's break it all down. Starting with the major indices. The S&P 500 is slipping, down 13 basis points, sitting at 710.77. The Nasdaq is the bright spot today, climbing 0.4% to 660.42. But the Dow Jones is feeling the pain, dropping 0.6% to 488.36. So we've got a clear split between tech strength and old economy weakness. Now let's check in on the Magnificent Seven. Amazon is leading the charge today, surging 1.78% to $264.32. That's a strong move for the e-commerce and cloud giant. Alphabet is also in the green, up 0.7% to $352.35. On the flip side, Microsoft is sliding over 1% to $424.84. Nvidia is also under pressure, down nearly 1% at $211.12, and Apple is dipping 0.7% to $268.74. A real tug of war inside big tech this morning. Turning to commodities, and we have a massive story in oil. WTI crude is exploding higher, up 5.85% to $147.76 a barrel. That is a significant spike, and we'll get to the reason in just a moment. Meanwhile, precious metals are pulling back. Gold is down 1.14% to $417.08. Silver is getting hit harder, falling 2.13% to $64.79. The safe haven trade is clearly taking a back seat to energy today. In the crypto space, things are looking modestly positive. Bitcoin is up 0.4%, trading at $76,254. Ethereum is outpacing it slightly, gaining 0.8% to trade at $2,289.56. Nothing explosive, but steady green across digital assets. Forex data is unavailable this morning, so we'll skip that and jump right into the headlines driving today's action. First, CNBC is reporting the S&P 500 is slipping from its recent record. A new OpenAI report is apparently rattling chip stocks, which helps explain the weakness in Nvidia and the broader semiconductor space. Second, the Washington Post is highlighting a split inside the Federal Reserve. Internal divisions are reportedly slowing down the Trump administration's push to deregulate Wall Street. That's a story worth watching closely in the weeks ahead. And third, the biggest headline of the morning. Al Jazeera is reporting that the UAE has left both OPEC and OPEC+. That is a seismic development for global energy markets. It almost certainly explains that nearly 6% surge in oil prices. The departure of a major producer creates serious uncertainty about future supply coordination. So to wrap it up, we've got tech holding the line while the Dow stumbles. Oil is surging on a historic OPEC shakeup, and the Fed appears divided on the path forward for regulation. Keep an eye on crude oil throughout the day. That UAE exit from OPEC could reshape energy markets for months to come. Also watch for any further fallout from that OpenAI report on the chip sector. And stay tuned for any Fed commentary that could clarify the regulatory outlook. That's your morning update. Stay informed, stay sharp, and we'll see you tomorrow.